Welcome. How to make money with niche AdSense websites. If you're looking for a fast way to make money online, these facts will be of interest to you. Fact number 1. Kids in high school are making thousands of dollars every month with AdSense. Fact number 2. Many retirees, mom and dads, who have never made a dime on the internet have created full-time incomes by simply creating niche AdSense websites. These are just some of the super AdSense earners. You may have already heard about some of their stories, for they are among the few who are on their way to making millions just because they discovered the power of promoting content-rich niche AdSense sites. Anyone, any age and gender can become money-generating AdSense publishers as long as they what it takes. How does one go about this type of niche internet advertising? Writing articles for your niche AdSense website is the way to do it. By using the right keywords in your articles and having Google AdSense ads on your certain niche site has become the most profitable way of marketing that anybody can get into. Why, you ask? Because no experience and level of education needed. If you are not using this strategy, or may not be aware of it in the first place, chances are you may be losing thousands of dollars worth of extra income and still do not know it yet. This is one of the many reasons why writing or outsourcing to get original quality content articles is now the latest in marketing buzz. It is quality content and backlinks that will make your niche AdSense site a winner. When combined together, they become a really powerful tool to a successful website that will make you very wealthy. Many internet marketing professionals are already aware of the value of an original quality niche content site and how using low competition, high searched for keywords can drive targeted traffic into their niche AdSense sites from the search engines. So why don't all these website owners write and submit their own articles, if that is what is important? The simple and understandable answer is that it takes time to write articles, submit them, and get targeted traffic to their websites. That is why many get these services outsourced. Of those who can spare some time to write the articles that would cater to their niche site purpose, many do not turn out as good in quality and uniqueness piece of work done by a professional article writer. You can find many article writers online at places like Elance.com. To get into the AdSense marketing business and start earning some good cash, ask yourself, did you enjoy writing when you were in school? If you answer yes to this question, you already have an initial advantage over most internet marketing business owners that wants to make money online from home. If not, use the steps mentioned above to get a quick start. Niche AdSense website owners that have a steady supply of articles with the proper keywords that they relate to their site content have seen their site's page rank when indexed by the search engines rise to the top of Google and Yahoo, sometimes in as little as 24 hours. Which, in turn, gets more of your AdSense ads to show above, below, or next to the article on your website with very targeted traffic. So, what do people have to do? Simple. Write quality and original content, keyword or phrase-rich articles with backlinks to your website in the resource box. Then build a website or web page with targeted keyword or phrase-rich original content for the targeted traffic that originates from the articles you wrote. Finally, you will have Google AdSense ads showing that are targeted to your keyword or phrase-rich original content site, where visitors will get to visit when they come looking for information. This is done with a targeted niche website. A win-win situation, if you think more about it. A bonus for persons looking for quality content and information. For the persons writing the original content articles. And last, the person with the quality original content-rich website. Of course, the search engines and its advertisers are getting targeted traffic and sales, but so what? As long as you are getting the free search engine traffic, it does not really matter what the others are getting for themselves. So who else wants to start earning money with niche AdSense sites? Internet marketing has many money-making opportunities for people. But writing articles and using a niche AdSense website for your kind of internet marketing strategy is one fastest ways of getting an easy monthly check from Google. So don't be left behind the many who going to be making millions promoting niche AdSense websites. If you would like to know about a powerful new niche marketing 2.0 method, visit the link shown in this video article and watch the free video and learn how you can get free traffic to your site for life.